morning, everybody. And by everybody, I mean, well, all two of you that are in here right now. Thank you very much to Pat for being first in the chat. Dark Bro, what's going on, Pat? Dark Bro, Pat, Dark Bro, Pat, Dark Bro, Pat, Dark Bro, all of you guys. Hopefully you're having a good day. Well, all two of you. Yes, now more people are showing up. I like it. 77 stinking degrees outside today. It is beautiful. It is sunny. Not a cloud in the sky. And I may have seen two baby chipmunks. I will have to confirm it later, but I may have seen two baby chipmunks out there this morning. I'll be going out there and looking for them a little bit later today. We've got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen sitting down 2.90% today, $5.19. Shiba Inu coin sitting at $8.57 right now. We've got GameStop in the bottom right, sitting at $20.61. And unfortunately, guys, look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin throwing some interesting candles on the screen here, but Bitcoin down to $26,300. It is on its way. We talked about it yesterday. If it didn't just wick down, if it closed down below that 27.2, very likely that we're going to be testing $25,000. And that seems to be the direction that we are headed right now. Bitcoin falling down to that $27,200 level of support, on its way to potentially $25,000 per coin. We're going to have to watch out for it. Hey, man, nobody wants to see $25,000 Bitcoin because that probably means Shiba Inu coin is going to be testing 800 points per coin. So we're going to be watching out for that. We're going to be watching out for Ethereum. We're going to be watching out for these dips right now because Bitcoin's on its way back down. I really don't know why. I really don't know why it's getting hit the way that it is right now. But some very interesting candles coming across on Webull there. NASDAQ getting hit pretty hard today, 0.44% lower after having some very nice days strung together. We may not be breaking up out of this level of resistance that we've got. It's 12,200, 12,300 right here. We may be falling into this channel and on our way back down. If we break up, it's going to be very nice. If we break down, it's not going to be very nice. Dogecoin sitting at 7 cents. Pretty strong level of support right here. Ethereum sitting at 17.64. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 8.57. Bitcoin sitting at 26,300 right now. Mullen Auto sitting down nearly 9% on the day, $1.27.5. Sundial sitting at $1.67. It's up slightly on the day. CEI $1.16, down 3%. My goodness, man. These stocks just keep getting hit. The SPY sitting at 410. BBIG $2.47. Highcraft Mining $3.35. Sorry. Netflix sitting at 341.12. The QQQ 324. It is down 0.46% on the day, very similar to the Nasdaq right there. Ape sitting at $1.57 and MPW getting destroyed today. MPW sitting at 772 right now, coming back down. Now here's the crazy thing, guys. MPW is going to be sitting like a 15% dividend if it comes back down and tests this $7 level. So watch out for that if you guys want a longer term kind of medical facility real estate investment trust. MPW could be the way to go on that if you guys believe it's going to continue paying its dividend. Nonetheless, we're going to be watching Bitcoin down on the bottom left-hand side of the screen as it either comes back to life or dies. Dark Bro and Pat, the only ones in the chat. I like it. No, I don't like it, guys. Be active. Participate in the chat right now. Let's see here. Dark Bro, man. What kind of sickness you got? You ain't got no C-word sickness, right? I'm alright. Just got what my kid had the other day. It didn't last very long for him, so I'm hoping the same for me. Dark Bro, if you're not stronger than your kid, dude, I don't know what you're doing out there, so it better not last long for you if it didn't last long for him, man. I imagine that they're licking their wounds from all of the blood they're letting in the market. My gosh. Yeah, Pat, I wouldn't doubt that, dude. I wouldn't doubt that. Could be the weird lag in YouTube because the location of live chat has changed. Hey, everybody, what's going on? Listen, if you guys are in here right now, let us know. If there's no more multi-streaming to be had, trust me, it is not paying off to do anything on Twitch. So no more multi-streaming will continue on if there's a weird lag in the YouTube chat or anything like that, man. So appreciate anybody that's in here right now. And if multi-streaming is destroying the game, we are not going to continue playing that game. Patrick! Thank you very much for the super chat. Patrick says, "Hey, make sure to give my shout out to John J from yesterday's Streamlabs whenever he shows up. Also, Also, Dark Bro wasn't first. You were FIRST. Dilly dilly to Pat and Dark Brilly. Oh man, almost, that was low. I almost threw it down on my chin. That was gonna be very bad. Oh man, it tastes so much better than the iron water that I had yesterday morning. 9,957 remaining. Yeah, let's see. Oh, okay, so I do see it. When John Jay comes in the chat, you're gonna have to remind me, but look, I'll be able to throw it back up on the, you did not forget that. It's right there. What are you talking about? Oh, and you forgot this. Pat, thank you very much for the super chat. You did not forget the authorized hydration. Oh, yeah. But I will absolutely take it, man. I'll absolutely take it. And this is the one from yesterday, so you're going to have to remind me. But when John Jay gets in here, I'll be able to do his shot. Apparently, I didn't see it yesterday. Very sorry for that. I got it on the screen right now. So, yeah, when John Jay gets in here, remind me. I'll throw it on the screen again. And I'll shout out him and his daughter for sure, man. Thank you very much, Pat, for that yesterday. Thank you very much for reminding me today, because I promise you I will never miss one. It was unintentional that I did so. So, thank you very much for the reminder. And I'll throw it on when he gets here. Hey, bro, where's Bone? No C word. Good, man. C word sucks. Nobody wants the C word in their house. All right, guys, let's check out and see where Bone's at, because I actually do not know where Bone is at. Woo! Milady. We know where Milady's at right now. Milady is down, 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 down. Milady going down, man. I got Milady going down right now. And it's not good, ladies and gentlemen. 58% losses in Milady today. Nobody likes to see that. We've got Bone sitting at 3% lower, 78.7 cents on Bone today. Bone coming down on the day, bouncing back a little off those lows, touching the 78, 79 cents support levels that we've had over the last 7 days, and down on the month. Down on the, well, actually not down on the full year here, but we are coming into those levels right at the 80 mark, 79.80. That is a pretty strong level of support with those two spikes up there. So Bone sitting at 79 cents right now, $181 million market cap. Dude, isn't it funny to think that Bone, you know, Bone's got its own layer 2 blockchain. Bone's rolling out there. Bone's making gains. And Pepe destroys it by a 10x. Pepe destroys it by a 10x market cap in a matter of 3 weeks. It is crazy what just people willing to buy will do to a price. Think about that. Bone's got Shibarium. Bone's got one of the most dedicated communities in the game. Pepe destroys it by a 10x because Pepe's moving in price. That is, it's a feat, guys. It's a feat. Mr. Brian, glad to have you in here. What's happening, everyone? What's going on, Kristen? Glad to have you. Good morning to you, Nick F. DD214, hello to you. Pat, well, have another on Dark Bro. Thank you very much. Where's Luna going? D, we'll check out Luna. Luna is either going to be holding up around that 8,000 point per coin mark, or it is going to be falling down and going to 4,500 to 5,000 points per coin. So we'll look it up there. Take a look at Pi Network. It exploded up. Pi Network, we're going to look at it with a Terra Luna Classic there. Clay, a good Galenic UST. It did dip. I was able to load up at 210. Very nice, Leonard, man. I don't plan on buying any AQST, but I'm glad you got that dip. Dude, refuse to join the stream till after the ads. DD214. I'm going to hit you with an ad right now just for saying that, dude. Well, Milady, going down isn't bad either. No, Milady going down is bad in this sense, Pat. It is very bad, man. Right on, brother. Heck yeah, me too. I have a very few Bone, but I might buy a few more a bit at a time. Yeah, dude, listen, I think that Bone's going to do well on the Shibarium mainnet release. I'd play that as a trade, though, guys. I would. Look, you know, you never really know what the future holds, and Bone could do very well with Shibarium 5-10 years from now, but it's very likely to get a nice pump back up and then do the exact same thing that it did last time. So please be careful if you play the Shibarium release for Bone and it jumps up to $2 per share, or $2 per coin, sorry, that you may be willing to book some profits or take some profits there. I'm back! Been gone for a few days, and WFT. WFT, I like it. Woofed happened, man. Woofed happened. I don't even know. We can kind of recap the last couple of days if you want. Who called it dip? Leonard. Heck yeah, man. When Lambo Clay. Soon Lambo, Dieter. Soon Lambo. It's always soon, man. I don't even know if I don't even know if I want a Lambo. Let's see. When is Shibarium? I'm out of the loop. Kristen, so, Unification provided an update on Shibarium like 2 or 3 days ago. And it seems like their internal testing or whatever of the main net seems to be going good so far. I honestly would say that we might have Shibarium in the next couple of months. But I think that the Shiba Inu Coin ecosystem team is just despicable when it comes to giving dates out and stuff like that. So I can't even begin to speculate. They said that Shibarium was going to be ready in 2021. So I don't know what their problem is when it comes to getting things done. If they literally only have one guy working on something or what the deal is. But, yeah, Satoshi has said in the next 2 to 4 months. He said that like a month and a half, 2 months ago. So maybe by the end of June, July. And if not, well, he was obviously wrong in his expectations there. So we'll see. I really don't know when Shibarium's going to be released. Let's see. $280 investment on Pepe 3 weeks ago. Last Friday it was up 14,000. Today I'm all the way down to 4,000. Oh god. K-King, man. That's how wild the swings are in these meme coins. Let me ask you this, K-King. Do you plan on holding, or are you kind of going to fold? Because you being able to ride it up like that, you've tasted it. You've tasted the greatness. The question is, if you are considering selling now, there's a very good chance that a lot of people like you are considering selling now. That's not to say that everybody thinks the same way that you do, but, these levels of temptation. So are you thinking now that you've got to wait till it goes back up and hits a high again so you can touch the levels that you had before? Or are you thinking, man, I should just get out now because it's gonna continue going down? Just to get in on your thought process, right? Because I did not ride it up the way that a lot of people did. So I don't know what it feels like to go there. Do you see a future in Tectonic coin? I see a future in Tectonic if and only if DeFi doesn't get a bad reputation and DeFi doesn't die here in the United States. I really think that the SEC and these guys are going to try and kill DeFi, man. I really do. It seems like the European Union is trying to kill DeFi. So if they're successful, no, I do not see a successful future for Tectonic. If DeFi lives, yes, I see a successful future for Tectonic. Let's see. Talk about why Shiba is so low. Hemi, Shiba's just following the overall cryptocurrency market right now, man. Shiba coming down there, Bitcoin curling back down and coming over, okay? Let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum might be slightly better. Not really much of a better example there. Shiba Inu coin not getting the same pump that Bitcoin did when the banks were dying, okay? Bitcoin had a nice rally here. Shiba kind of stayed sideways while Bitcoin popped up. Now, the unfortunate part is, instead of staying sideways, it's following Bitcoin lower. Bitcoin had this nice rally, I truly believe, because banks were dying and people were viewing Bitcoin as an alternative to the banks. Now that the banks aren't dying, we're seeing some technical levels of support broken, and unfortunately, Shiba Inu coin is following those technical levels of support to the downside. So it's following Bitcoin right now and didn't get this sort of hype that Bitcoin did right here. So that's why I truly believe Shiba is hitting these lower lows right now, is because Bitcoin is losing steam off of its recent rally. The banking sector, which I don't think has recovered, they're lying to us and saying that it's recovering. So, we're seeing a pullback here. We're seeing a pullback here. I do think it has to do with the overall economy and the banks that are, potentially going to see some more support. If things clear up, dude, when people become confident in the markets again, that's when I think you see a rally in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Shiba Inu coin, and all of these major coins. Another reason Shiba could be moving lower, people tried to follow the trend. They tried to follow the wave, man. Pepe was ripping, and they were tired of Shiba sitting sideways, and they tried to make some gains in Pepe. They may or may not have made some gains in Pepe. Of course, if they're still holding on to Pepe right now, they're down a little bit. My trading bot hasn't had a trade in Pepe in like the last 4 days. So I would like Pepe to at least get back up into that 200 point per coin range. Currently sitting about 100 points per coin. Needs to double in price before I start trading it again. But, you know, Pepe is seeing some tough times right now and some pullbacks as well. Let's go out and look at Terra Luna Classic really quick to look at the price there. Somebody was asking about Lunk a minute ago. And in Terra Luna Classic, testing these levels around 800 or 8,000 points per coin. So look at the all-time graph. Doesn't really do us justice. All right, what do we got here? No, it's not doing us justice. So let's go to the one. Zoom in here. Well, 1 year graph, guys. You can see on Terra Luna Classic that this level in here is the level of support that we need, absolutely need, to hold up. Currently, it is. Okay, we are testing the lows of the low. If Terra Luna Classic falls down below this level right in here, the only level of support we have was about a 1 month period right in here when Terra Luna Classic was testing some 4,500 to 5,000 point per coin levels. If 8,000 is broken, we're going to test this, 4,500, 5,000 level. If this level is broken, I don't know if that signifies that the game is over, or I don't know if that signifies that we're just going to be, testing some new lows, but we have not gone down into this area. It is going to be uncharted territory down below this level right here. So very significant and very important that Terra Luna Classic maintains this level, and critical that it maintains this level right here. And you guys couldn't see a single thing because I was on Weeble, but this is what we're looking at on Terra Luna Classic. Very sorry about that. Sitting around 9,800 or not 8,900 and 9,000 points per coin right now. The same level of support that we had for several months back in here. It held up. Hopefully it holds up here. If it doesn't, extremely critical, like danger, danger, danger. Warning, red sirens going off. Gotta maintain this level, or we're in uncharted territory on Terra Luna Classic there. Let's see. Coming back up. Hopefully that got you guys questions. Let's see. You gotta know when to cash out, buddy. That you do, man. Crypto trading is like deal or no deal. You have to know when to stop. You always do, man. This is the way. I've never watched The Mandalorian. Do you think Pepe will 100x? From where we are right now at a $400 million market cap on Pepe, okay? Do I think that it can 100x? That takes us to a $4 billion, that's a 10x, and then another 10x, $40 billion market cap. Pepe, let's put it this way, can 10x. Here's the only way I see Pepe 100xing from where we are right now, and I'm basing it on the fact that Shiba Inu coin and Dogecoin reached those levels. If we get a little bit of confidence back in the crypto market, okay, and it leads to a bull run, doesn't have to be a full-fledged bull market, okay, but if we get some stimulus checks, if we get some regulation, if we get some laws, if we get a court case won by Ripple or Coinbase or any of these guys out there to prove that crypto has a chance and has a future here in the United States, we're going to see some confidence return. If that coincides with a FOMO buying opportunity, similar to what we saw in Dogecoin and Shiba Inu coin, in that situation, bull market plus FOMO into the meme sector, yes, Pepe could 100x and tap the top market caps of Shiba Inu coin and Doge. Simply from the levels that we're at right now, we still could see that. Now, is it going to be easy? Absolutely not. A 10x increase from where we are right now puts us at the price points of Dogecoin and Shiba Inu coin where they are right now. So, that's a possibility during this bear market. A 10x is a possibility during this bear market. But you know, 100x is gonna have to coincide, I would say, with a bull market run, just a flat out bull run, a FOMO run, and so on, to take us to the levels that Shiba Inu coin and such were able to reach before. Is this a good entry for Shib? Dieter, yes, it is actually a good entry for Shiba Inu coin if you believe the support level will hold up. So here's kind of the way you should think about it if you're trading Shiba Inu coin. If you're trading Shiba Inu coin and it is coming down to test a level of resistance here, I would honestly wait until you start to see it bounce off either this level or, into this area. It does seem like it's continuing to come down here, so don't catch it as it's falling. But let's see. It tested it back here, this 800 point per coin mark, and like a year and a half ago, a year ago now, it tested this level again. So both times, this red line was an extremely significant level of support that held up, and it has held up for a solid year now. Okay, that is a very good sign. If you come back here to Shiba Inu coin before Shiba Inu coin ever ran up to 8,800 points, this area was still a good level of support. So yes, now could be a good time leading into this 800 point per coin mark right here. Could be a good time to buy Shiba Inu coin on a technical standpoint. But you might want to wait until it bounces off of that level to get back in, just to make sure, Bitcoin declining doesn't rip through 25 and Shiba Inu coin rips through 800 down here. At this pace, if Bitcoin's retesting 20,000, Shiba Inu coin may just fall right down through that 800 level and not even test it. So watch out for that. Patrick! Thank you very much for the super chat. Patrick says, well, FOMO or hydrations? Decisions. Let's hydrate the decisions. Oh my goodness. It's just too good, man. It's just too good. Is John Jay in here yet? John Jay, are you in here yet? We need to know if you're in here because I missed a super chat from Pat yesterday. So we need to know when John Jay is in here. Make your presence known if you're in here, John Jay. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. Thank you very much for the hydration. And thank you very much for 9,956 remaining. Absolutely appreciate it, Pat. Lady is going to do another skyrocket, I think. My lady's been going down all morning. I don't want to be too weird with it. I don't want to be too weird with it. My lady's been going down all morning. That's for sure. 9% losses right now. My lady was down nearly 60%. Where we at, my lady? We are down 55% on the day today. 5,800 or 58 points per coin, whatever you're calling it right there. $43 million market cap. Dude, just to let you know, Milady can still 10x and get to the current market cap of Pepe. So Milady's got the chance to run as well, man. The meme coins may be pulling back a little bit, but all it takes, guys, all it's going to take is a little rally in Pepe to inspire the rest of the meme coin market again. And I'm telling you right now, if Pepe bounces 100%, Milady's going to be bouncing, Pooh's going to be bouncing, Wojak, Bob, Bobo, SpongeBob, I think I might have said Pooh, I don't even know. All of these coins are going to be back up. Okay, they're going to be back up and people are going to be making money again. It's just a matter of whether or not the meme market is going to be here. And we see a little bit of a spark, a little bit of life being brought back into the game there. Shiba was robbed. Crypto trading is like, oh, saw that. Are we going somewhere? It's traumatizing, but let's have hope. And all thanks, Clay, for giving us hope. Yeah, Solar Conch, man. Thank you very much. Luke can drop back down there for me. That's fine. I can pick up the amount that I had before half the price. Yeah, dude. And you know what? You can pick up the amount that people had on Voyager, right, before Voyager locked everything up and is only giving you 35% of your coins back. Listen, Terra Luna Classic may survive, guys. There may be some people just dedicated to rebuilding Terra Luna Classic now. And if they somehow continue to receive their paychecks quarter after quarter, they're going to continue building. So It is a possibility, Dark Bro. You know, Terra Luna Classic is not necessarily a meme coin. There's a huge difference in the fact that they've got a blockchain and some people that are really trying to make a go of it, and a lot of these meme coins that are a technical lottery ticket. Terra Luna Classic's a different type of lottery ticket. Terra Luna Classic is something that, you know, if these people find themselves dedicated, that you should see it bounce back. Maybe, you know, not to $100, but you should see it bounce back if these people find themselves dedicated in their ideas of building a blockchain. Yeah, thanks, Clay. Kai, I think, maybe. Every time there's an authorized hydration, the water level in my toilet drops. WTF. That's weird, dude. I don't even know. I don't even know how that's possible. Kai, it's really weird that you're measuring the water level in your toilet, too. It's not something that I usually take note of. Thank you for confirming my thoughts. Dieter, absolutely. Pi Network, CD Wit. Sorry, yeah, let's look at that. Can Luke still hit 2 cents? Yeah, Darwin. So, let me put it this way, man. A 1 cent price target on Terra Luna Classic right now is a $50 to $60 billion valuation. 2 cents is going to give you that $100 billion valuation. 2 cents is not going to be easy, dude. Definitely not going to be easy. $100 billion valuation is a lot of money. But valuations are crazy in bull markets. Okay, valuations are insane in bull markets. You know, there's no reason Shiba Inu coin should have had a valuation of $40 billion. I hope everybody can agree with that. As much as you want it to happen, right? You know, like we say, Pepe could have a $40 billion valuation, but I get the old guy's point of view. You get, you know, morons like Charlie Munger out there and Warren Buffett that can't fathom why Shiba Inu coin or Dogecoin will be sitting at a $40, $50 billion valuation. I get it. They just don't understand why people are willing to buy it, why people are willing to push it to that level. So it is possible, yes, but people are willing to buy anything and everything during a bull market, man. So, yeah, it can go there during a bull market, but it's not going to be easy. Pi Network, ladies and gentlemen. What is Pi? Which one is it? Is it this? I don't know which one. I don't know if I can find it, man. CD Whip. Why is Pi not showing up here? I don't know why it's not showing up on CoinMarketCap, man. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. Here's some authorized hydration courtesy of Kai's toilet. Don't tell Kai. Kai, close your ears and close your eyes, man. Shh. Kai, don't tell. Patrick, thank you very much. Oh, good. Yeah, I know it was weird, guys, but it's all right to be a little weird sometimes. Just because I'm not some cute girl making really weird sounds with my mouth doesn't mean that you're not into ASMR. We get it, okay? We get it. Thank you very much, Pat, for the super chat. Absolutely love it, man. And we know Kai's going crazy right now. Are we something? Saw that. All those, let's see here. XRP seems to always move opposite of Bitcoin and Ethereum now. BitBoy's 45 years old. How old is his dad? Bitman. This keeps me awake at night. You got me, dude. You got me. I actually have no idea how old Bitman is. BitBoy's dad. None whatsoever. I guess we could ask BitBoy's dad BitBoy how old Bitman is. It's interesting. We could ask. And I've never talked to BitBoy though, so that should be the question. If I ever get to talk to BitBoy, I should ask him how old Bitman is. I like it. Darwin, we can look at Zen in a second, man. I don't know too much about Zen, though, because Pi is not tradable yet. Got you 7,000 Pi coin. Yo, bros, what's going on? JB, man. J Bones, how you doing, man? Pi showing on CoinGecko. All right, I'll look at it on CoinGecko. ASMR click. I liked it. Insert likes it. Oh, yes. Bro, is it okay to buy Terra Classic now? Yeah, it's okay. You can buy Terra Luna Classic whenever you want. Let me put it this way, okay? Terra Luna Classic is trying its best to maintain that support level. Here's what you're looking at. Terra Luna Classic is floating. Terra Luna Classic is floating right now, trying to tread water and keep its head above 8,000 points per coin. If it does, there's a very good chance that it comes in and gets swept up and it continues to move back up. It is at a critical level of support. If it starts to sink, dude, it is going to be extremely difficult to not hit 4,500 to 5,000 points per coin, which could be another 50% decline. So, you know, you're taking a little bit of a risk if you buy it before the bounce happens. It is trying to float and trying to keep its head above 8,000 points per coin. We're going to have to see who's successful. The bulls or the bears in keeping it above 8,000 points per coin. So, yes, it's okay to buy it, but, you know, you got to know that if it does break support, there's a very good chance that you're testing 4,500 or 5,000 points per coin again. Yellow, I think you saw your question the first 50 times. Okay to buy Terra Luna Classic all the time. Exactly, Chris. And you guys can buy whatever you want, whenever you want. It's May 12th. Somebody's birthday today. Not mine. Whose birthday is it? What's going on, Pudgy? How you doing? Let's see where we go and got. Oh, CoinGecko is what he wanted to see. Milady, man. Milady out there. Not doing too well today. No, not GoinGecko. CoinGecko. Alright, let's see what we got here. Oh, this one. That's what you're talking about. 20x, and ladies and gentlemen, Pi Network sitting at $17.13 right now. You know what? I do not know if that is a legitimate increase. Okay? Because I believe that is this. Okay, I think that there's some problem with CoinGecko's pricing there. Pi Network, these are the same coins right here. $600,000 in volume today. They're showing volume around $200,000, but these are the same prices. Now, I do not know why CoinGecko is showing a drop down to 75 cents. Flatlining at like 75 cents for the last 3 or 4 days, and then bouncing back up. Coin market cap is not showing the drop down, but this is the same coin here, right? You guys can see that over the last 7 days, yes, you know, in that $20 to $22 range, $20 to $22 range, and then CoinGecko's got a drop and coming back up. CoinMarketCap does not have that drop and coming back up. So I don't think that that is a legitimate 20x based on CoinGecko's price right there. I think that that is some sort of a discrepancy in their price, and the price should actually be trading, you know, in more or less of a slow and steady decline like this price action right here. So I think that CoinGecko might be showing you a bad price on that, and it didn't actually jump back up the way that CoinGecko is showing you there. Every time the moon sinks to head in the right direction, the developers sabotage it. Yeah, Kai, you know what? Here's the thing, man. I really don't believe that the developers want to develop a future for Terra Luna Classic. I think that they are just solely focused on their paycheck. The good news is, right, they will have a longer-term paycheck if Terra Luna Classic is successful. So, you know, they should be a little bit focused on the success and the price action of Terra Luna Classic. But it doesn't seem that they are. And that's bad news. I mean, that is bad news for Terra Luna Classic. You need a group of developers that are focused on increasing the price. of Terra Luna Classic and increasing the value for Terra Luna Classic holders. Let's come back out of the minute chart. We'll watch this stuff tick around, guys. The daily chart doesn't look so good. Bitcoin throwing some weird candles on the screen, man. I don't think it's one of the developers. We have relentlessly malicious shorters too. Just saying. Yeah, Chris, you know, it's a multitude of things, but I do believe that the developers should be less focused on paychecks and more focused on creating value. If you create value, the money comes. If you're simply focused on the money, it will drain out and it will dry up. And then what are you going to do? Move on to the next coin? It's a very strange situation they got themselves in. Which coin would pump at the end of this month? Yellow. I wish I knew which coin would pump at the end of this month. It would be a very nice birthday present for me if I knew which coin was going to be running. Unfortunately, I have no idea which coin is going to be running at the end of this month. If you're interested in trying to play a meme coin rally and a meme coin hype, you're probably going to be better off buying a multitude of those coins. You know, $20, $50, $100, whatever you can afford in those littler coins. And sure, you might not become a millionaire. But dude, if you can ride a little coin from $100 to 10 grand, like, you just killed it, dude. You know, you give yourself a larger chance. You might not have that 1 in a million chance of becoming a millionaire, but you might have a 1 in 100 chance of making 10 grand. And from there, then you can, you know, exponentially increase your chances of hitting a decent winner in the meme coin game, man. So it's a tough decision to make, but I unfortunately have no idea what cryptocurrency is going to run at the end of the month. Glad you see Binance bought 15 trillion coins Pepe last night. A few hours ago, bought another 5 trillion coins. Now sitting at 85 trillion Pepe. Insert. No, I didn't see that, man. That must mean that they've got some fantastic volume on their platform that they need to make sure that they can. No, that's not the one I wanted to see. Here's Pepe. Let's see. What do we got for holders, man? Binance. It is true, man. Binance stacking. Binance sitting on 85 trillion Pepe right now. 20% of all of the Pepe is on Binance. Dude, if Pepe shoots up 100x at $100 million is going to turn into $10 billion worth of Pepe. Think about that. If Pepe shot up to Shiba Inu coins all-time highs, Binance would be sitting on $10 billion worth of Pepe. Oh my goodness, man. Hey, Pepe, Binance is seemingly believing in Pepe right now, guys. I'm going to be honest. The market has been boring this week. Sean, I'm going to be honest. Yeah, I agree with you. The market has been very boring compared to the excitement that we saw last Thursday and Friday. I was actually excited last Thursday and Friday. Market was doing great. Things were moving up. Pepe was rolling to all-time highs, and many, many memes were rolling. Many, many price gains higher. This week has been a different story, so I agree. This week's been boring, especially compared to last week. But last week was like a sweet little treat for us, man. It was like a sweet little treat for us. Pikas don't like flying. Pika power. What is going on? You in the airport? You already fly? You gonna get ready to fly right now? What's going on, Pika? Thank you very much for hanging out in the live stream right now. And you landing? You getting ready to take off? What's happening? Nope, getting a rental. I just didn't enjoy the flight. There you go. At least you made it through the flight, Pika. No problems now. Get in the rental car and you're going to be having a lot of fun. Currently, it is free to accumulate it on their app on your phone. I'm hearing it is being traded and bartered with in Asia. Kraken, you're talking about Pi, right? Pi Network denies the price. They have not officially launched Pi. Gotcha. All right, well, it could be a different Pi that they're looking at there. Kraken, very good to know. Like I say, guys, I do not follow Pi. I know that Pi's got a decent social media presence, but I do not follow Pi. It's not one that I have ever owned, or clearly, and have never used. So very nice that you know a little bit, and maybe you can keep the bros updated on what's going on with Pi, man. Let's see. Pika pika. Man, yes, Bitcoin is sick, dude. Bitcoin is sick right now. Take a look at the minute-by-minute price action on Bitcoin and tell me it's not sick. Something's going on with it that just ain't right. Right now, I'm ready to invest $100. In which can I invest? Yellow Flash, man. Listen, dude, if you're going to be investing in $100, just be aware that you're going to have, if you're trying to invest on a DeFi wallet, a lot of that's going to be eaten up by gas fees. So just be aware that $100 is going to go pretty quick, and I have no idea which one is going to be the most successful. You know, stuff like Bitcoin might be a little bit more of a conservative approach if you're looking at cryptocurrencies. Ethereum might be a little bit more conservative, stuff like that. But if you're looking at memes, dude, I have no idea which one is going to be ripping. Pika, yeah, you're going to have an absolute blast. Get a rental RV. So much fun. Oh, my God. You flying back? Yeah, well, hopefully if everything works out, Pudgy. Otherwise, you might be staying. NFA, Yellow Flash. Yeah, sorry, there you go. Not financial advice. Nothing ever is, Kristen. Nothing ever is. Just wanted to say that. So you have something to look for. Pudgy, dude. Pudgy pulling a jerk move there. I love it. But Pudgy, I gotta say, dude, I saw the pictures of those cows in your yard the other day. Number one, your lawn looks phenomenal, man. I do have to admit that. Your lawn looks phenomenal. Number two, dude, it's got to be so much fun having cows come up in your yard like that, man. I thought I had something cool with the chipmunks and the bunnies, dude. You get freaking cows that come hang out in your yard. So, yeah, Pudgy, I liked it. Or it could save money and hitchhike. Jeez, dude. Don't tell Pika to hitchhike, please. I don't want to see Pika hitchhiking anywhere. Okay, I twitched an invisible twitch. Work, work, work. Yes, he did. Woohoo! I'm twitching with anticipation of what? I don't know. Moji, man, thank you very much for being the only person over on Twitch today. Nobody subscribed to my Twitch channel or followed my Twitch channel or whatever. Appreciate you being over there, dude. You're the only one showing some Twitch love today. I have mined almost 2,000 pi. Maine, very nice, dude. How long did it take you to mine out the 2,000 pi? Shout out to Clay. Will Major, shout out to you, man. Morning all. Late, but I made it. Yes, Emma D, you did make it. Glad to have you in here. Better late than never, guys. Always better late than never. $100 equals $10 worth of Ethereum meme coins. Yeah, roughly. After you sell your buy and your sell transaction, basically 60 cents on each, or 60% total, with a 30% gas fee on one side, a 30% gas fee on the other side. You're looking at by the time you sell, man, you got about $30 worth of coins there. Any thoughts on Volt? Leo, I do not know why Volt is going to a V3, man. If you can't get your success right on version 1, okay, maybe go to a version 2. If you can't get your success right on version 2, does it really warrant people following you over to a V3? Let's see here. Have fun, Pika Peter. Yes, have fun. I posted yesterday. Anxiously awaiting to hear your answers. Very nice. MD. This must be the Mandela effect. I could have sworn Emma wasn't here a minute ago. She wasn't. Watching that tonight, as your videos are my Friday evening. Peter, very nice, man. What is the topic of today? Oh, while we are waiting. Will, I don't know if there's an underlying topic in the stream right now. Just basically wherever the chat is going. Thank you, my lawn is my pride and joy. It's a status symbol I'm owning. You know what, Pudgy? It really is for some. I was actually thinking about that this morning, dude. Not necessarily about you, but my neighbor. I don't even know what this guy does. Okay, I really don't know what he does for a living, besides take care of his lawn. I am home, right, the vast majority of the day, if not all day long, right? I work here. So this dude, every single day, he is either out there spraying weeds, he is either out there fertilizing, he is out there mowing, he is out there running his leaf blower, he is out there doing something. He was out there this morning spraying some weeds up along the side of his house and just putting around in his yard. And I'm thinking, dude, yes, this guy does probably have the nicest lawn on the street. Like, there's no doubt about that. And everybody knows that this dude has the nicest lawn on the street. No doubt about it. But does he enjoy it? Or is it literally because he wants to be known as the guy with the greatest lawn on the street? Pudgy, since you may be that guy, let me know, is it because you actually do enjoy having the best lawn on the street? You find some peace in going out and mowing, riding your tractor around the lawn, keeping it clean and all that stuff? Because I really like sitting out in my backyard watching the chipmunks eating the squirrels and birds and all that stuff. I don't mind mowing the lawn. I feel good when it is nice and fresh and things are good. But dude, I only want to do it once a week, man. I only want to do it because it makes the lawn look nice, not because I care at all what the neighbors think. So, what is this guy doing over there, man? Is it for him? Is it for himself, or is it for everybody else to know that he's just got the baddest lawn in town? I agree that a great lawn commands respect. It does, dude. It's not easy. Like, I know that guy works, and then he literally comes home and works another 2 hours a night in his lawn. So, he definitely does, man. Can you make a tectonic vid? Killer Beja. I don't really know what I would do with a tectonic video, besides just talking about the technicals of it. It could be something, but I don't know how much traction it would get because the price action's not doing any stuff. They're not doing anything lately. Have a Yachtmaster as a gift for my old son, for my old man, for missing the first 18 years of my life. Peter, I don't know if that's good or not, man. Have a good weekend, all. Moji! Enjoy your weekend, dude. Thank you very much for being in here. All right, Bones, I got you. Good deal. Driving the bus or engineering the train with his co-captain, Mosif. I think that's good. Clay, are you doing any challenges for the Shib community? Let's say you were to hit 1 million followers. Would you do 40% burn on YouTube checks live? Well, I wouldn't burn 40% of that, no. Of every single one, dude, I'd be getting ripped in taxes if I were to burn 40%. That would basically be completely breaking even. I don't think that the Shiba Inu coin community would get up to 1 million followers, though, dude. Maybe that would have been a better thing to take advantage of back in 2021 when things were going insane. But I don't think that would work out too well right now. Back in the middle of the times, people used the land to grow food, except for rich people. They just had green grass. Roulette wheel. That's interesting. I never thought about that. Man. Watching the chipmunks eat the birds. No, JB, no, I don't watch I watch the chipmunks and the birds and the squirrels eating, not each other. Oh, gosh, dude. What did I say? Kai's getting me on it, too. My bad, guys. The chipmunks don't eat the birds and the squirrels. The chipmunks, the birds, and the squirrels are all eating. I just have a certain pride in having my stuff always sharp and presentable. I water heavily at night, and that's it. Now, once a week. Dude, and you know what? It really did, man. That picture, you could tell your lawn looked freaking... it looked professional, dude. It looked like you were one of those dudes that make sure you got the baddest lawn in town. Yes, roulette. It is never worn. It's just left in its box. Is that good? Is it good? Listen, I'm not a watch guy, right? But Rolexes are a very nice status symbol. Question is, if you keep it in the box, isn't that like having a nice car that you never drive anywhere? Isn't it? Don't wear it downtown and get robbed or anything, but aren't watches meant to be worn? Pump it up! That's what you can do. Yeah, Killer Peja. That would actually be nice. I really don't have the authority or don't have the following or whatever to pump a coin up. It's very unfortunate that the views that I do and the opinions that I have, nobody really cares about going and buying and selling off of those opinions. So it's impossible for me, unfortunately, to pump or dump a coin. And Clay thinks I'm mean. No, Kai, I don't think you're mean, darn it. Come on now. Bones just finished his lawn. Pick of the discard. Joe Bones finishing his lawn. Let's see what we got right there. J Bones, man. Very nice, dude. Yeah, that's a nice lawn, man. I gotta admit, it's a very nice backyard there. I can't see because it won't zoom in or anything. Is that like a little fire pit? We got some tree stumps to sit on back there? Or what do we got back there in the middle? Hopefully it's not some sort of like altar or anything where you sacrifice squirrels and stuff. That would be weird. But yeah, no, very nice backyard, dude. It looks very peaceful back there. Nice and private. I almost bought a Rolex 3 years ago, and now I'm looking at the same watch, and they jacked the price by $3,500 to $11,000. My gosh, dude. I guess 11 grand for a Rolex like that, that might be similar to buying gold or silver or whatever. If you keep the watch in tip-top shape, and it's always going to have some value. I highly doubt that Rolex is going to do anything stupid to destroy their brand image. So your 11,000 is probably always going to be 11,000 or potentially more buying a Rolex. That's the good news. Unless, of course, you take it and you get it ran over by a truck, then it's not going to be worth $11,000. Or if somebody robs you, then it's not going to be worth $11,000. But yeah, dude, Rolex they're an investment, not just a watch to wear. Clay said he liked watching the chipmunks eating the squirrels and the birds out there as well. There was a comma in there that you missed, man. Someone must pay attention to everything you say, even if you don't want us to. You missed the comma in the sentence. Maybe I just didn't pause long enough. It's okay, Clay. I get all my financial advice from you. See, at least one person does. JB, at least one person gets all of their financial advice from me and makes all of their life decisions based on the videos that I post and the live streams that we have here. So thank you very much, JB, for letting me know that my time is not wasted and somebody is taking these videos as financial advice. Fire Pit, yes. Figured it was, man. Very nice. Thought it was Saturday. Kumbu. Oh my god, did you really? Is that why you're just now showing up? Rolex are fake status symbols. Real money, rock, potet. Oh my god, I don't even know what that is. Silly, but somehow a decent long-term investment. Well, M&D does not like a Rolex. I would rather wear a rubber band around my wrist than a Rolex and have the money in my pocket or the money invested somewhere. That's just me, though. Rolex is a type of investment as well, I'd say. So now, I guess it is okay to spray raids. No, it is not. No, it is not, Kai. No, it is not. How high do you think Jasmy coin can go? I don't know, 4 or 5x from where it's at. Dude, I don't think that Jasmy is going to... It's not going to reach the price highs that it had before. So if you're looking at Jasmy, one thing you got to look at is market cap, man. If you look at the all-time graph, we're at a half a cent right now. It's not going to jump up like 10,000x and go back up to $4 per coin. Why? Let's take a look at the market cap. Not markets. Market cap. Let's take a look at the market cap. We're sitting right here at a $230 million market cap. And right here was a $1.3 billion market cap. That is basically a 7x from where we are right now. So 7xing from where we are right now gets you back to this market cap that is presented in November of 2021. Looking at the price alone, a lot of these coins must have been minted and distributed after this price run in November of 2021 right here. So that's taking it back up to a 20-cent price there, but only a 7x in price gets us to this market cap. So you'd be thinking that you could 40x to get back to that level, but a 7x increase gets you back to the same market cap. So, I mean, theoretically, you could 40x if it reaches Shiba Inu coin's all-time high in market cap, but don't be tricked by the actual price, because there was a lot of coins that were minted in that period, or I guess became circulating in that period. Michael Allen, thank you very much for the super chat. Michael says, Rolex, Lambos, Budweiser, Clay's healthy diet, fist bump, fist bump, fist bump, fist bump, baby. Michael Allen, the most consistent player in the game, ladies and gentlemen. Michael, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate it, dude. Can't thank you guys enough for all the support, man. Showing the love, showing the fist bumps, having some fun. Pika, you still listening right now? You get that rental car? What's Pika rolling around in this week? Corvette down there? What do you got going on, Pika? Let us know. Let's see. Have a look, please. It has me excited. Elmo, ERC. Is it still... You know what? Let's look at Elmo real quick because we've talked about Elmo a couple times over the last few days. Let's see if it is still following that trend line where you guys would have made some money or what's happening here. It is down a little bit now. All right. So... Elmo was following a very nice trend line, bouncing up, coming down, bouncing up, coming down, bouncing up, coming down, bouncing up, coming down. Here's the thing, it has broken that weekly trend line that it had there and came all the way down to a half a cent. The good news is people obviously bought that dip because it has almost tripled since touching half a cent there. Very interesting price action on Elmo. I have no idea what this community is going to be turning into. A clear and an obvious meme coin. But nonetheless, man, going very quickly from about a $1.5 million market cap back up to a $5 million market cap, bouncing off these half a cent lows that it touched, what, last night? I don't know if that's last night or yesterday morning based on this graph here. But it's tripling, almost tripling in price since reaching those levels, and bouncing back nicely, could double in price to get back up to its all-time high here. Something to keep your eye on, and this is one that people have been talking about quite a bit lately, so you got to keep that in mind as well, that it is a popular coin. Expensive watches are used to quickly move assets by the rich people. If a person has to flee for any reason, police, divorce, or any reason, you can pack 20 high-end watches and you can start a new life. Sounds interesting too, man. It's not bad. You know what? I learned more from you guys than you learned from me. I can guarantee it. Roulette wheel. I never even thought about that, but I like it, dude. I like it. I like it a lot, man. I have a Rolex inherited from my mom. It lives in a little velvet box. It is a... Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Very similar to the guy that got one from his dad, saying that it stays in a box, never wears it. I don't know. You know, I'm not a watch guy myself. I've never really wanted to wear a watch. I don't know. I don't like something heavy on my wrist or anything. But if you're gonna have a watch, man, I think you should wear it. I got a pair of Oakley sunglasses, right there. I bought them, the Oakley pennies. Okay, I bought them a long time ago, and they sit in their case. And yes, they're worth a decent amount of money right now. But what are they worth, man? What are they worth? Just if they can't even block the sun from reaching my eyes, what are they worth? Should you just sell them instead? Clay, get my non-financial advice from you. I would never have bought Lunk if I hadn't stumbled upon your channel. Patrick, very nice, man. Very nice. Everybody getting their non-financial advice from me, I like it. And Pat, I am telling you right now, I'm glad you stumbled across the channel, man. I'm glad you became a bro. Absolutely integral in these live streams and in this community, man. Thank you very much for being here, Pat. Who, when you come back down to South Florida? Michael, when should I come down? Should I take a summer vacation down to Florida again? Prairie. We got a prairie for Pika in the prairie. I do a lot of outdoor exploring off the beaten path, so I really considered the Endurance Pro at one point. Well, there you go. Emma D, you guys know a little bit more about watches than I ever thought people knew about watches. I wear, at a time like everyday wear, more expensive ones stay in the box most of the time. So roulette wheel, you do sound like a watch guy then, man. You sound like a watch guy. I mean, I don't wear watches at all. I have, just one of those Samsung smartwatches. I don't even wear that, man. I don't know. Maybe I need to get a band, I guess, that feels a little bit more comfortable on my wrist or something. I was going to buy Elmo, but the gas fees are dumb, dude. If you're not investing like $1,000 or more in these little coins right now, I really don't even know if it's worth getting ripped in gas to do so. It's not financial advice. Obviously, you can do whatever you want. But, when you're paying 30% just for gas fees, it's a rip, man. Your coin's got to double in price to make any money. All that red, HRZN, ABRT, and USAC carrying the long-term retirement portfolio. Yeah, dude, there's a lot of blood in the market today, man. Let's see, $2.50 for $200 of Elmo through Uniswap. It only cost you $2.50. Is that what you're saying? Hemi Life, I'm going to be honest with you, man. Unless there's some ridiculous burns, I highly doubt that Jasmine reaches $1 there, man. I highly doubt it. That'll be a 50x increase. $1 billion market. I mean, dude, it could get to a $10 billion market cap, right? I guess, dude. I guess it could touch a $10 billion market cap. That's not something that's impossible, but definitely not going to happen in a bear market, dude. In $10 billion, every coin can't go to $5 to $10 billion, or we're going to have a $100 trillion market cap crypto industry. So if Jasmine becomes a special coin, yeah, during the next bull market, technically it could. And it could reach a $10 billion market cap. Dark Bro! But the most important question is, when Dark Bro ban? Farmy, honestly, never again, dude. Never again. I don't even care if Farmy's running. I don't care if the CEO calls me up and says, Clay, we're sorry. We want to extend some free mushrooms for the rest of your life to you. Farmy, never again. Dark Bro, thank you very much for opening up a new wound and pouring salt on it, man. Thank you very much for that. And on that note, it is time to leave the live stream, guys. Now, it is past 1 o'clock. We're going to be getting off for now. We will be back this afternoon. Dark Bro, I'm messing with you. You ain't getting banned, dude. I might kick you. But, pour some itching powder in a hoodie that I send you or something. But not going to ban you from the live stream, man. Dark Bro, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate it. Guys, get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout-outs. Enjoy the afternoon. We will be back. Live stream later today. Videos tonight. Appreciate every single one of you guys. Shoutouts to Kai, man. J-Bones, enjoy your day. Pika Power still listening. They said it's a Volkswagen, what is that, Golf Joel? Not sure what it means, but that's what I have. No car accidents, baby. You're not going to get any, Pika, you're going to have an amazing time. You're going to have an absolutely amazing time. Enjoy every minute of it. You don't need to check in with the bros if you don't want to check in with the bros, but I know you're going to have some fun. Pika, enjoy it. Michael, see you later, man. Dark Bro, J-Bones, Dark Bro, Will Major, see you later. J-Bones, see you later, man. Kai, Mike, Marin, enjoy it. Roulette Wheel, Peter, Dark Bro, Back to the Future, Will, see you later. We got Emma D later to you. Tata to you, Kai. Peter, see you later. Hemi Life, enjoy your day. DD214, Back to the Future. Old Rounder Bro, Will, Kombu, Back to the Future later to you. Pat, if you're still in here, man, see you later. Roulette Wheel, Pika, see you later. Peace out of the Diamond Handed. Bunny Bugs? The Bunny Bugs, I like it. Pika, enjoy it. All you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.